Hi, this is from Tech Solutions. Today, let me know about the project Cyberbullying Detection using NLP and Machine Learning. Let me see about this abstract in this project. This is abstract in this project. This project focus on detecting cyberbullying in text comments using NLP and logistic regression. It pre-processes text data to classify toxic behaviors such as insults, threats, and hate speech. A Flask-based web interface provides real-time feedback promoting safer digital communication. So this is the introduction for this project. In today's digital world, cyberbullying has become a major issue affecting individuals and communities. So I have using the modules for data collections, data pre-processing, model implementation, and loading the trained model and lost the prediction. And then this is the conclusion of this project. This is conclusion and reference is there. Conclusion is it pre-process text to improve future extraction using ensuring accurate classification of toxic content. Then the overall this system enhance online safety and can adapt to evolving language trends. Let me see about the steps to run the applications. So open the Visual Studio Code and select and open the source code. This is the Visual Studio Code and this is the files, and this is the main file app.py, and then open the main file and open the new terminal. So I have already opened the new terminal. And to run the Python file name and enter URL will generate, paste in any browser. So I have run the code python space app.py. So the URL is generate and then follow link and open the browser. So this is the project output. So enter the AD commands or so I entered the hello in this command and then predict. If we give good comments in this, it should show how much percentage is good comments. If not, and if there are bad comments, then it should show how much percentage is bad comments. These are the cyberbullying and non-cyberbullying. How many percentage is cyberbullying this comment, and the non-cyberbullying, unserved toxic options, threat, insults, identify hates. So and any bad negative comments, it means this 100% is a cyberbullying comment. This is the project for cyberbullying detection. Thank you. Any queries and any doubt, it means contact this number.